Want to add a transparent background on your Instagram story? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to make your Instagram story background transparent in just a few seconds. First, open the Instagram app and create a new story. You can tap the plus icon or simply swipe right from the home screen. Next, choose any photo from your gallery that you want to use in your Instagram story. Now tap down arrow. Now you can see Draw button. Tap on it. At the bottom of the screen, choose the highlighter tool. This is the tool that creates the transparent effect on Instagram stories. After that, pick any color you want for the transparent background. You can either use the color palette below or hold on a color to get more shades. Now here's the important step. Press and hold anywhere on the screen for about 1 second. Once you do that, the transparent overlay will automatically appear on your Instagram story background. And that's it. That's how to add a transparent background on Instagram stories easily. If your Instagram story transparent background feature is not working, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips, story tutorials, and social media how-to videos.